my channel, and in today's video we'll be doing another face mask. If you are new, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and make sure you go ahead and push that notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for tuning in today, and let's get right into the video. So for today's face mask, I purchased from Walmart. It is called the Rejuvenating Cucumber and Sea Salt Clay Mask. Instantly detoxes and clears pores for renewed skin. 10-minute mask, and it's for all skin types. Again, this was from Walmart for $1.32. The directions on here says, apply over dry, clean face, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on 10 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes or until dry. Add warm water and massage gently to exfoliate. Then rinse twice. What? Oh, then rinse. Use twice a week or as often as needed. Okay. Let's get right into it. It's a clay mask. Okay. This one was easier to open as opposed to the other one. All right. Cucumber and pink salt. Let's go ahead and get close and personal and start. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Very cold. It's a bit grainy. The smell isn't bad either. So the mask is on. The mask is on, and I must say, when you first apply it, it's grainy. You can feel the grains in it. It has a good smell. It doesn't stink at all. You have to move a little bit fast because it does get dry pretty quickly. But other than that, I really want to see what this can do. This is not a peel off mask, so all I have to do is, like a regular mask, as it said on the directions, get warm water and rinse it and massage it into my skin. So I want to see what this mask can do. I will be back with you when it is time to rinse it off. See you soon. So we are back, and if I must be perfectly honest, I don't like this mask. Reason number one, it ashed out my face completely, and my face is really dry. On the package it said it's for all skin types, so I'm not sure why it dried out my skin. The only thing I like about this mask is how it felt on my face. But other than that, I would not use that mask again. It was $1.32 from Walmart. I expected better because the other mask that I used, the peel off mask, that was the best one. But I do have one more mask to go ahead and review. If you want to go ahead and try that mask out, feel free to do so and let me know what you think about it. But until then, I will not be using that mask anymore. I have another clay mask that was my first mask that I used for on my channel. It's the mint julep mask. That one is better. Maybe because the price range, the price difference in it, but I prefer the mint julep mask over this clay mask. But I want to thank you so very much for tuning into my video for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye.